Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. You know, it is not yet Christmas in my household until I've made mulled wine. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my easy peasy way of making this beautiful and refreshing festive hot drink. So, without further ado, let's get started. To begin, I'm using 1 whole bottle of red wine. So depending on how many you're trying to serve, you can use 1 bottle or up to 5 or more. To this, I'm adding star anise. I'm adding just 3. I'm adding some cloves and 1 stick of cinnamon. Now I'm adding 1 heaped tablespoon of light brown sugar. I'm also going to add half of a freshly grated nutmeg. All of these flavors will contribute to making this a very fragrant festive hot drink. Now I've got 1 whole orange, so what I'm going to do is simply slice just a half of this orange, and I'm going to put this sliced orange straight in there. Then the remaining half of the orange, I'm going to simply squeeze this into my mulled wine. Remember to always adjust your quantities depending on how many bottles of red wine you're using for your mulled wine. Now I'm adding 1 cup of water, and that's it. With all these flavors, we're ready to put this on the stove. So I'm going to take this straight onto my stove, and I'm going to leave it there and allow it to very gently and slowly simmer. You do not want this to start bubbling and boiling very rigorously. You want it to very gently simmer. The entire house would begin to smell of Christmas with all this Christmas spices. It would just be absolutely gorgeous. So just leave this there for a few minutes, allow it to very gently simmer. Mix it every now and then, and it should be ready within just a few minutes. Remember, this is called a festive hot drink, so it has to be hot when you're serving it. So make sure you warm it just a little bit before you serve. It is worth mentioning that if you want a very strong alcohol taste to this mulled wine, you should definitely add a few drops or spoons of brandy. It will really give it that kick. That is purely optional. So just like this, it's ready to serve. Otherwise, if you want it to be very strong and alcoholic volume, then you should add a bit of brandy to give it a good kick. And that's it. So this has simmered for a few minutes, and I've taken it off the stove, and we're ready to serve. This mulled wine, I tell you, my entire family is standing in line waiting to have their sip. This is when you know Christmas has begun in my household. We always have to have mulled wine ready for the season. So before serving, I like to add a slice of orange and garnish it nicely with cinnamon stick. Just mix, 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 and make sure you're drinking this whilst it's nice and hot. It will keep your system nice and warm. It smells Christmassy and absolutely refreshing. Thank you all so much for watching. I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. I hope you can try this out sometime. Enjoy your mulled wine and Happy Christmas. Can I also remind you to please click the like button on this video, share it with your friends and family, spread the word. It's Merry Christmas. So like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Goodbye.